This is the USB Type-C cable, both ends being USB Type-C, obviously from Apple, 2 meters in length. The reason why I bought this is because I'm going to try and connect the Thunderbolt port at the back of this QNAP with my Thunderbolt card that is installed on my PC. So when I asked them, they said, this should do the trick. So we're going to try and test it today. So take this off, peel it away, open this out. Get a booklet. Put it back in here. Use the cable. In what I've read, Thunderbolt 3 is capable of data transfer up to 40 gigabits per second, and it is, I think, most effective with a shorter cable. So 2 meter is an overkill, so you might get a degradation of performance. In fact, I'm not even sure whether this will be recognized, so this is going to be my first time trying to connect my Thunderbolt NAS to the PC via the Thunderbolt cable. I mean, this is not a Thunderbolt cable, this is a Type-C cable, USB Type-C, but the physical connection is the same, and it's kind of like a subset, superset kind of a thing, So you could possibly transfer data using a Type-C cable through a Thunderbolt connection. So anyway, we're going to test it today, okay? So this will go to the back. Let me just check. Alright, in this video, this was taken later. I apologize for that shaky screen. The camera is set for auto zoom. My apologies for that. So you will notice that I've connected the USB Type-C cable at the back of the QNAP drive, and which is connected to the Thunderbolt card installed on my PC. So the computer starts up, goes about its duties, its motions. The QNAP drive does not respond, and neither is the QNAP drive recognized in the Thunderbolt software. Okay, so either the software installation, the drivers are not correct, or maybe it's an issue with the cable. But just to let you know, it is not an issue with the software, because the same setup works the moment I swap the USB Type-C cable with the Thunderbolt 3 cable. So in short, you need to have a Thunderbolt 3 cable itself for Thunderbolt connectivity. If someone says otherwise, please don't. He or she's just trying to sell you the cable. That's all. Okay, don't buy it. Okay. USB Type-C has its other uses, but not for this Thunderbolt specifically. Hope you found this video useful. If you do, please leave a like, and do check out my other video regarding the Thunderbolt 3 cable, and you will see the difference. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.